Assalamualaikum viewers. Today we prepare quick cake in microwave only 20 minutes. Sift the 2 cup flour, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Take a bowl and add in 2 eggs beaten with heater. Add in 1 cup sugar blended, 1/4 cup oil add in. All is mixed well. Gradually beater add, then fold in hand blender and flour. Mix and mix. Fold and cut. Fold and cut. When mixture is ready, prepare the bowl and put in 1 cup of milk. Add the mixture in baking pan and tap. After tapping, shift in microwave and timer is ready 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, prepare the cake is ready. Hot cup of tea. Enjoy it in evening time and school snacks. If you are newcomers, subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for watching my channel.